Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for students study smarter. To begin, open your browser and go to the Claude AI login page. If you reach it through a search result, make sure you select the official Claude sign-in page so you can access the correct platform safely and without confusion. Once you're on the sign-in page, click the option to sign into your account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main Claude workspace. This is where you can start asking questions, organizing ideas, and using AI as a study assistant for your academic work. Next, look to the left side navigation menu and click New Chat. Starting a new chat gives you a clean space to focus on one topic at a time. This is especially useful for students because it helps keep different subjects or assignments separated and easier to review later. Now you can begin typing anything related to your academic needs. For example, you might ask for help understanding a concept, summarizing notes, brainstorming essay ideas, reviewing a reading, or building a study plan. The key here is to clearly describe what you need help with so Claude can respond in a more useful and relevant way. In the message box, tell Claude exactly what you need. Try to be specific. Instead of writing something broad, give context about your subject, grade level, or assignment goal. The more detail you provide, the better Claude can support you. It can help students study smarter by explaining difficult topics, organizing information, creating drafts, and even assisting with creative tasks such as generating visuals when available. You can also explore more tools from the side menu. Click on Projects, then choose New Project. Projects can help you keep related chats, materials, and study work grouped together. This can be very helpful if you are working on a long-term assignment, preparing for exams, or managing multiple parts of the same subject. After that, click on Artifacts in the side menu. This area can be useful for viewing and working with content Claude creates in a more structured format. It gives you another way to interact with study materials and outputs beyond the regular chat view. If you are taking coding lessons, Claude can also help with code. You can use it to understand examples, work through programming ideas, and support your learning in technical subjects. This makes it especially valuable for students who need both writing help and coding assistance in one place. Overall, Claude can support many parts of student learning in a single platform. With chats, projects, artifacts, and coding support, it can help you stay organized, understand material more clearly, and study smarter every day.